हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू ओडिशा एग्जाम रो आउ एक नुआ एजुकेशनल वीडियो रे मु समस्त को स्वागत करुच्ची। आज आम हिस्ट्री रो 1500 सीरीज रो क्लास 1 करवा। तो फास्ट आम देखा एनिशिएंट इंडिया रो 500 क्वेश्चन, तापर मेडिवियल इंडिया रो 500 क्वेश्चन और मॉडर्न इंडियन हिस्ट्री रो 500 क्वेश्चन। तो ये एग्जाम पे बहुत हेल्पफुल रहा ओडिशा पुलिस एग्जाम। तापर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट टीचर 2021 पूरा बहुत बहुत हेल्पफुल। हिस्ट्री रो गोटे भी क्वेश्चन एपटे सेपटे हेनी। तो जो मैंने ओडिशा एग्जाम को फर्स्ट टाइम विजिट करछंती निहाती भाव चैनल टी को सब्सक्राइब करंतु, लाइक करंतु और निज सांग मान सहित शेयर करंतु। तो चलतु सीरीज स्टार्ट करवा। इंडियन हिस्ट्री रो एटा होची पार्ट 1। फास्ट आम एनिशिएंट इंडिया रो 500 क्वेश्चन देखिबा। Which of the following Veda deals with magic spell and with craft? एटा हिबो अथर्व वेद करे। तापरे आम शीघ्र शीघ्र देखा। तो 500 क्वेश्चन शीघ्र कंप्लीट हो। आम दुईटा पार्ट रे कंप्लीट करवा। द लेटर वैदिक एज मीन्स द एज ऑफ द कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ एटा संहिता ब्राह्मण आर्यंक सब ऑल दी अबव। तापर द वैदिक रिलीजन along with its later development is actually known as एटा हिजो ब्राह्मणिज्म। द वैदिक आर्य first settled in the region of Sapta Sindhu. Which of the following contains the famous Gayatri Mantra? एटा हिजो ऋग्वेद। The famous Gayatri Mantra is addressed to Shiv. एटा हिजो Sabita. Two highest gods in the Vedic religion यार एटा हिजो इंद्र आउ वरुण। Division of the Vedic society into 4 classes is clearly maintained in the Purusha Sutta of Rigveda रे अच्छे। This Vedic god was a breaker of the forts and also a war god. एटा को कहा कहते ना इंद्र। The Harappan or Indus Valley civilization flourished during the Chalcolithic age. तापर the first metal to be extensively used by the people of India was एटा हिजो copper. Which of the following civilization is not associated with the Harappan civilization? एटा हिजो Chinese. Of the following scholars who was the first to discover the tracks of Harappan civilization? एटा हिजो Dr. Dayaram Sahni. The Harappan civilization achieved far greater advancement the Sumer, Elam, etc. on account of town planning. Town planning in the Harappan civilization was inspired by a regard for sanitation and public health. The Indus or Harappan civilization is distinguished from the other contemporary civilization by its underground drainage system. Question number 17. Match the location of following Harappan sites. एटा sites एरे रूपार अच्छे। रूपारटा हिजो तुमर पंजाब। आलमगीरपुर हिजो उत्तर प्रदेश। कालीबंगन हिजो राजस्थान। धोलावीरा हिजो गुजरात और बनवाली हिजो हरियाणा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. The date of Harappan civilization 2300 BC to 1750 BC has been fixed on the basis of carbon dating, এটা radiocarbon 14 dating. Most of the European towns had 45 which served the purpose of এটা safety from robbers, protection against cattle raiders, protection against এটা all of the above. তারপরে question number 20. Cereals grown by the people of the European civilization was where এটা all of the above. The utensil of Indus Valley civilization, Indus Valley people are mainly made এটা clay. Which of the following metals was not known in Indus Valley civilization? এটা iron ବିଷୟରେ ଜାଣି ନଥିଲେ. Which of the following objects was not worshipped by the Indus Valley civilization? এটা ପଶୁପତି ଶିବ. ଦେଖୁଥିବ କୋଉଠି ନଟ୍ ଅଛି ହେଲା. At which of the following European sites has the supposed dockyard been found? এটা Lothal. The economic of the Indus Valley civilization was based on agriculture, trade and commerce, crafts, all of the above. The European civilization declined as a result of not definitely known factors. इतिर आंसर है not definitely. Question number 26. The most common animal figure found in the European site is unicorn bull. The term Aryan, Indo-Aryan or Indo-European denotes the concept of linguistic. Language अनुसार से मानकु विभाजन कर. According to the most widely accepted view, the Aryans originally came from Central Europe. Which of the following Veda was completed first? First क्यों Veda completed हेतिला ना एटा हेतिला ऋग Veda. The Vedic economic was based on agriculture and cattle rearing. The normal form of government during the Vedic period was monarch. Two popular assembly of the Vedic period were Sabha and Samiti. Option C. The Indo-Greek kingdom set up in North Afghanistan in the beginning of 2nd century BC. Option A. The beat specimens of Mauryan art are represented by their pillars represent. Which of the following does not represent an important sources material for the Mauryan period? Maurya period is numismatic evidence. According to Strabo, the Tamil kingdom to first sent emissary to meet Augustine in Athens in 20 BC was option C. Pandya. Who among the following was the founder of the Nanda dynasty? It is Mahapadma Nanda. The word Veda has been derived from the root word Vid, which means knowledge. The Kusana rule was brought to an end by the Hindu-Shahi dynasty. Ashok has been particularly influenced by the Buddhist monk. It is Upagupanko ठारू से ग्रहण करथिले. During Kanishka region, the center of political activity shifted from Magadha to Purushpur Peshwara. Which of the following Sanskrit language? এটা হইব গুপ্তঙ্কর সময় সংস্কৃত ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ চালুଥିଲା। Who had got the Konark Sun temple constructed? এটা হইব নরসিংহদেব দ্বিতীয়। Which of the following invariably used green schist as the medium? এটা হইব বারহু অপশন, এটা হইব তার অপশন সি। Who among the following is known for his work medicine during the Gupta period? এই হইব সরস্তু। ଟିକେ ସ୍ପିଡ୍ କରିବା ଜଲ୍ଦି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ସରିବ। In the context of ancient Indian society, which one of the following terms does not belong to the category of the other three? এটা হইব কোশ। Who wrote the ମିର୍ଚି? এটা କ୍ଲାଏ ଆର୍ଟ ବିଷୟରେ ଅଛି, ତ ଏଇଟା ହଇବ କିଏ ଲେଖିଥିଲେ? ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ଶୂଦ୍ରକ। After the partition of India, the largest number of European towns and settlements have been found in Gujarat. The Indus Valley civilization can be said to belong to the এটা হইব Bronze Age. Who among the following used to hold a religious assembly to Prayag every 5 years? এটা হইব হর্ষবর্ধন। Gautam Buddha as a prince was known as এটা হইব সিদ্ধার্থ। The Jataka are a collection of story, এটা হইব pertaining to several different earlier births of Buddha. Architectural development in India manifested themselves in their full glory during the period of এটা হইব গুপ্ত। The deep transferring effect that Kalinga had on Ashoka has been described in এটা হইব rock edicts. The proud title Vikramaditya has been assumed by এটা হইব চন্দ্রগুপ্ত দ্বিতীয়। In which region was first metallic coin used in India? এটা হইব অপশন এ Indo-Gangetic plan of Central India. Which of the following was the first metal to be discovered and used as a tools by humans? এটা হইব copper. The philosophy propounded in the Upanishad is known as এটা Vedanta. After the growth of the Vedic religion, the most important development in the history of the so-called Hinduism was the development of এটা হইব Bhagavatism. Bhagavatism refers to the worship of Vasudeva Krishna. Vaishnavism, a later development of Bhagavatism, advocates the worship of Vishnu and his incarnation. The Hindu social sacraments such as marriage etc. are performed on the basis of the rituals described in the Grihasutra. The founder of Jainism is এটা হইব পার্শ্বনাথ। মহাবীর বর্ধমান মহাবীর the 24th তীর্থঙ্কর of Jainism was born dash and died and dashed. এটা হইব কুণ্ডগ্রাম ଆଉ পাভ। The three jewels ত্রিরত্ন of the Jainism is এটা right path or intention, right knowledge and right conduct. Option A. Of the 5 bowls pancha anuvarta of Jainism, 4 excited before Mahavir. The one of which was added was এটা celibacy. In Jainism, the aim of life is to attain nirvana or moksha, for which one has to follow 3 jewels and 5 bowls. তারপরে question number 69. Jainism was divided into two sects, Shvetambara white clad and Digambara sky clad or naked during the region of it Morioଙ୍କର ବା ମୌର୍ଯ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କର ସମୟରେ। The name of Buddha means a enlightened। ତାପରେ 71 match the events of Buddha life with the place their occurrence। ବାର୍ଥ ହେଇଥିଲା କୋଉଠି ହେଇଥିଲା? ବାର୍ଥ ହେଇଥିଲା କୁଶୀନଗର। attainment of knowledge ବାର୍ଥ ହେଇଥିଲା ତମର ବୁଦ୍ଧଗୟା। ତାପରେ attainment of knowledge ହେଇଥିଲା ବୁଦ୍ଧଗୟା। ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ sermon ହେଇଥିଲା ସାରନାଥ। ଡେଥ୍ ହେଇଥିଲା କୁଶୀନଗରରେ। Buddhism was divided into Mahayana and Hinayana during the region of it ହେଇଯିବ କନିଷ୍କ। The great exponent of Mahayana Buddhism was এটা ହେଇଯିବ ନାଗାର୍ଜୁନ। ଜାତକ are the stories of Buddha's previous lives outside India। Buddhism was first accepted in Sri Lanka in the 6th century BC। Northern India was divided into both a 16 great state or 18 republicans, both A and B. Of all the states in northern India in 6th century BC, which of the following state emerged as the most powerful? It is Magadha. When Alexander invaded India, Magadha was being ruled by it is Nanda। Chandragupta Maurya, with the help of Chanakya, decided to overthrow the Nanda because it is the Nanda had accumulated a great deal of wealth by exploration and operation of the people. The decline of the Nanda at the hands of Kautilya and Chandragupta Maurya has been vividly portrayed in the Sanskrit play written by Kalidasa। এটা হইব মাল Vikagnimitrам। Kautilya, also known as Vishnugupta and Chanakya, is the author of Arthashastra, which has been compared of Machiavelli Prince। Megasthenes is the ambassador of Seleucus at the Maurya court in Pataliputra, wrote an account of the period in his book Indica। Which of the following is the single most important sources of the history of Ashoka? Inscription of Ashoka। After the Kalinga, Ashoka decided to never wage any war because he was moved by the violence, slaughter and sufferings to the commandments and non-commandments in the war। In his question number 85, in his inscription, Ashoka called himself a Devanam Priyadarshi king। Ashoka claims to be one of the greatest rulers in the world history, life in the fact that after a single conquest he decided himself completely to the cause of peace। তারপরে question number 87, the most important official most important official post with vast responsibility created by Ashoka was Dharma Mahatma। Option number C, the Mauryan sculptor had attained the highest perfection in the carving of animal figures। তারপরে 89, the most striking feature of the Ashokan pillar is their polish। তারপরে 90, which of the following was not one of the actual cause for the decline of the Mauryan empire? Ashok। Option number A, Ashok's pacifist policies। Who usurped power from the Maurya after killing last Maurya ruler Brihadratha? এটা হইব অপশন হবে পুষ্যমিত্র শুঙ্গ। The most famous Indo-Greek ruler of India, famous for his sense of justice and dialogues with the Buddhist monk Nagasena, was এটা ହେଇଯିବ Menander, the first great empire to the south of the Vindhya was of the এটা ହେଇଯିବ ସାତବାହନ। ତାପରେ क्वेश्चन नंबर 94, the greatest claim to fame of the Satvahana is on account of এটা ହେଇଯିବ অপশন सी great economic prosperity and tricks in land and foreign trade. Mohenjo-daro is situated in এটা ହେଇଯିବ অপশন नंबर बी Larkana district. Which of the following is the oldest of the Veda ହେଇଯିବ ऋग्वेद। The family of the Rig Vedicarians were ଏଇଟା ହେଇଯିବ ଅପଶନ ନମ୍ବର बी patricial, এটা ହେଇଯିବ ଅପଶନ ନମ୍ବର बी। गौतम बुद्ध was brought up by এটা ହେଇଯିବ ମହାପ୍ରଜାପତି। ମହାବୀର was 24 ତୀର୍ଥଙ୍କର এটা द फ्रेज द लाइट ऑफ एशिया ହେଇଯିବ ଏଟା ଦ ବୁଦ୍ଧ। ତ ଏଇଟା ଥିଲା ପାର୍ଟ 1ରେ ଆମେ 6ଟି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ କଲେ। ତାପରେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ପାର୍ଟ ଏମିତି କରି 1500 क्वेश्चन सीरीज पूरा शेष करवा। तो जो मैंने भी देखुंत निहाती भाव लाइक करंतु, चैनल टी निहाती भाव सब्सक्राइब करंतु। तो थैंक यू आज।